guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. So today I'm gonna take the Rx8 back to the shop. So last time I was looking in, like, basically reading people's comments. You guys were saying that this car, apparently it went on a dyno. If you don't pull one fuse, it kind of throws the whole thing off because the car just like goes into lit mode or whatever. So I'm gonna take the car to the shop, put it back in a dyno, see what it does. Hopefully it does better power because that was it's kind of weak. 150 horsepower is kind of weak. So hopefully it should make a little bit more. And that's pretty much it. I just want to make sure the car's not hurt because 150 horsepower is like pretty far down from what they're supposed to come with. They're not that shitty. So right now I'm just waiting on Mochi to finish pooping, and then I gotta take the Rx8 through the mud again because I don't know where I put the keys to the Jeep at, so I can get out of here.
Did you do it?
Yes,
What did it cost?
everything.
I did not burn it.
Bruh,
You did it.
Bruh, you can see it in the
I
video.
don't want to hear
That
it.
shit was smoking.
Dude, I'm blind. I'm legally blind, bro.
Oh, Jesus. The car had an issue where it wasn't going wide open because these cars, if you don't pull the ABS fuse before going to dyno, it just basically limits the throttle. So I thought it was like doing a burnout the whole time, so it didn't let me go wide open. So made about 30 more horsepower and burnt the shit out of the bumper, which is pretty cool. Mochi, are you disappointed on me? I'm so sorry, Mochi. So yeah, things got out of hand. Wasn't really paying too much attention to the car because it's a stock car, and the exhaust was hitting the lift. So the car's low, pushed the exhaust up when it went to the rollers, and the exhaust was literally sitting on the bumper the whole time. We walked away from it, and when I walked back to the car, I was just dripping, basically like melting bumper on the floor. So yeah, it got pretty bad. It got bad enough that I had to put a Mochi sticker to try to cover it up because how bad it looks, but it still looks pretty bad. Look at this. Look at this thing. Mochi, what do you think of it? Rip, clean Rx8. Look at that shit. So yeah, time to find a new bumper then. So I found a sick deal on this Rx8. I'm probably gonna take parts of this car and sell it. But it's not a bad car. I'm probably gonna sell the engine, sell the transmission, sell everything out of it. Super, super clean car. What a shame that I'm doing this to it. Well, it's gonna end bad. Hey man, be easy to my car, right?
Oh, this is your car?
That's why I can't have nice things. So this car, I actually bought it because we're parting out because I got into an accident, but it has some cool parts in it. Let's see. Really good condition engine. This is not big boy friendly, so I'm about to lose some weight. So yeah, I'm gonna put these things on the car, and the bumper, and new taillights. Everything else, I'm just gonna sell it. And Mike, we lost your ramps. That's what we left them at Gil's house.
Really? Well, you only had fucking zip ties on it, dog.
So we used Mike's beat up trailer today. Luckily we made it back without getting pulled over.
Yo, the zip ties are still here.
Oh man. I didn't want to lose your zip ties.
What happened?
Yeah, I don't know why you put
Whatever.
So me and Gil completely destroyed both Rx8s. We got all the interiors out of them. Mostly because we're gonna change the interiors to the nicer one. But my car also, I bought a new amp. So you see it right there, thing hanging there. And to change the amp, to take all this shit out. and those 2 top panels. I have to get that middle panel out to then change the amp. So I have to take the whole thing off anyways. So right now I'm just basically just vacuuming the carpet to get everything, all the dog hair and everything out of it. And I found a secret apartment that apparently is like known for Rx8 to like just store like bunch of change. I don't know if it's a car basically that's like purposely like has its own savings account, so when it blows up you can basically just reach in here, just go in there and just start pulling a bunch of change out. It's like deep in there now, but like a bunch of change stored in there. Alright, so I'm just gonna reach from this side and let me know if you can hear this thing. See if I can get most of it out. This is complete, got it. Oh, I changed the tail lights. Actually, I'm gonna keep the bumper on because I sold the car to Mike, so I'm putting all my interior back in it and making some money out of this deal because I need money. So the difference is, see if you can see right now, cool with the rotor in the middle that I don't like, and then these things are beautiful, those things, and they're not full leather, it's like cloth. Downside of them is that they're not electric adjustable anymore, so now they have a slider on them, whatever. So now he's gonna put the seats, all the panels for the back, the rear panels too, and make the car look cooler, and make it worth more money. Alright, so now that we're done with the interior stuff, we're just gonna go eat. One last thing I'm gonna show you guys is a little part that Gil gave me from his fast-ass Rx8. He got me a little carbon fiber, little duct panel. So I hope he has good luck for when I turn my car that's actually fast. Right, Gil?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.